Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel named Learning to Learn, and welcome back to 1 minute concept series. So आज हम करने वाले हैं case study. Case study is a part of small group teaching method, and here what a teacher does is here a teacher gives a case study, a real life scenario, and the student tries to figure out what kind of reaction or response or thing is to be done in that particular situation. This basically helps the student to get more depth analysis and practical analysis of that particular topic. The advantages it is it can be practically applicable, it is used in various situations, and it helps to get a deeper knowledge about the subject. But the disadvantage is it is not used in every subject, it cannot be used in every subject. So this was all about case studies. You might have solved case studies, especially if you are an MBA graduate, if you're an MBA or a graduate from commerce. So I hope this helps. Take good care of yourself, study hard. Bye everyone.